Nqubeko forgive uMamChunu without her going to jail? Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on My Brother's Keeper from the 17th to the 21st of March 2025 on Monday. Ndumiso and Sheng will try to stop Nqubeko from turning to MamChunu, but he refuses. Toba and Didi hit it off unbeknownst to Sibusiso. Fakazile kicks Makazi out after an argument but quickly apologizes before she leaves on Tuesday. Shengu pleads with Nqubeko for Mamchunu's freedom. Khathazile can't wait to be a Makoti in white. Sibusiso gives Didi permission to date and find love again on Wednesday. Tragedy strikes the Shabalalas, leaving a wound that will never heal. Khathazile plans to renew her vow in hope of making amends with Mamchunu on this day. The aftermath of people blaming each other derails the funeral preparations. Mshengu acts out as he grapples with a great loss. Nqubeko feels responsible for what the family has suffered on Friday. Mshengu struggles with the new status quo and blames Nqubeko for what transpired. Nqubeko blames Doreen for misleading him. Toba asks Didi to make up her mind. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.